In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find or get a project ID in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the steps to locate your project ID with ease. Firstly, you'd want to begin by opening your Jira project. This is your starting point and you'll need to have the project open to access the necessary details. Make sure you're logged into Jira and have the appropriate permissions to view the project settings. Once your project is open, the next step is to take a look at your browser's address bar. This is where the URL for your project is displayed and it is a key component in finding your project ID. The URL contains specific identifiers related to your project, which Jira uses to organize and manage various elements. Within this URL, you'll find the project ID. It is usually the number present when you're viewing the project settings or boards. This ID follows a specific segment of the URL, which is typically a string of numbers. For instance, in an example URL, you might see something like project view 7, where 7 is the project ID. It's a straightforward detail but crucial for identifying your project across different platforms and integrations. If you prefer a different method or can't find the ID in the address bar, another option is to click on the three dots located next to projects in Jira's navigation menu. This will open a drop-down menu where you can select Manage Projects. Selecting this option takes you to a comprehensive view of all the projects you have access to, presenting them in an organized list. Now, as you hover over any project on the Manage Projects page, you'll notice a navigation bar popping up at the bottom of your browser. This handy feature displays various details, including the project ID. It appears directly within the navigation bar, allowing you to quickly identify any project's ID without digging through the settings. These methods for locating your project ID in Jira are simple yet effective. By either examining the URL or using the Manage Projects tool, you can easily find the project ID without any hassle. This ID is a critical part of managing projects within Jira, especially when you're dealing with multiple teams or integrating with various third-party applications. With this knowledge, you can seamlessly navigate Jira's project hierarchy and ensure all your project configurations are correct. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these instructions have demystified the process of finding a project ID in Jira. Be sure to bookmark or share this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips and guides in managing projects effectively.